Welcome to the Think It Media podcast. I am your host, and today we will be diving into price pages that rank, 5 design and SEO moves to turn pricing searchers into high-value leads. That's great. This episode is short, tactical, and built for teams who need measurable wins fast.
Let's dive in. Most definitely. Quick preview. We'll cover snippets and titles, copy and layout patterns that reduce friction, structure and anchors that help both people and search engines, technical signals like schema and canonicals, and a simple measurement checklist you can implement this week.
Hook first, pricing pages are search gold. Data shows comparison and pricing queries convert at a much higher rate than generic product searches, often 2 to 3 times the lead quality. Yet many pricing pages rank poorly because they don't match user intent. Imagine a potential customer searches pricing for Acme CRN alternatives and lands on a page with a hide-and-seek price table, frustrated and gone.
I hear you. That frustrating example is real. When people search prices, they want clarity fast. If the snippet or H1 doesn't answer that comparison intent immediately, the click is low quality or never happens. Today we fix that with 5 moves that don't require a full redesign.
Section 1. Moves 1 and 2. Intent-led snippets and transparent pricing patterns. Move 1. Craft titles, meta descriptions, and a visible H1 that match comparison and pricing intent. Instead of generic H1s like plans, use concrete, searchable language. Pricing, plans and quotes for small teams, product name. Put the price range or starting price in the meta description when possible, so searchers know they're in the right place.
Exactly. A snippet that answers intent wins the click and filters for higher value leads. For meta descriptions, write for the comparison mindset. Mention features that comparison searchers care about, seat counts, trial options, or a key differentiator, and include a call to action like see plan details. Also, make sure your H1 echoes the title so users and searchers see a consistent signal.
Move 2. Transparent pricing patterns. Design and copy should reduce friction. Plain language pricing summaries, clearly labeled add-ons, and a prominent calculator or example use case. Don't hide fees behind modal dialogues. If legal or finance needs details, use expandable sections labeled full pricing details, so trust remains high without cluttering the main view.
Little transparency goes a long way, and it's measurable. Add a quick what's included bullet list under each tier. Show monthly versus annual price clearly, and add a clear CTA per tier like get quote or start trial. Those small cues reduce back and forth with sales and lift lead quality.
Section 2. Moves 3 and 4. Page structure and technical signals. Move 3 is about scannability and internal signals. Break pricing pages into clear sections: summary, comparison table, FAQs, and a section of trust signals like case studies or logos. Use anchor links for each section so comparison searchers can jump straight to what they care about, and so search bots can pick up the headings.
From an SEO perspective, use semantic headings: H1 for the page intent, H2s for each section, and H3s for FAQ questions that match search queries. Add internal links from product pages and blog posts that mention pricing to the pricing page with descriptive anchor text like pricing and plans for teams. This helps crawl paths and relevance.
Move 4. Technical signals. Canonization must be clean. Avoid multiple versions of the same pricing page indexed under different query strings. Implement price/offer schema where appropriate so search engines can show rich results. Monitor load performance. A slow price table on mobile kills conversions. Finally, check indexation with site search and logs to make sure the page is being crawled and served correctly.
A quick pro tip. If you use tabs to show monthly versus annual pricing, ensure the content is accessible to crawlers and not hidden behind client-side only rendering. Server-rendered HTML or proper pre-rendering avoid snapshot issues. And for schema, include price valid until and availability when applicable. Small details that create stronger signals.
Section 3. Move 5. The measurement checklist.
and a quick walkthrough you can do this week. Move 5 is about attribution and micro-conversions. Track micro-conversions like pricing calculator used, price CTA clicked, or downloaded pricing PDF, and forward that to your CRM as lead scoring signals. Don't rely only on form completions. Measure interaction depth to spot higher intent users.
For a simple tracking setup, add UTM templates to your paid or content links. Record the landing page variant in a hidden form field, and fire events for key interactions. Then evaluate lead quality over 30 to 90 days. Look at deal size, close rate, and time to close, rather than raw volume. That's how you prove high-value lead lift.
Quick walkthrough. Imagine a sample pricing page. Step 1. Update the title and meta to include the phrase pricing and a starting price. Step 2. Add a one-line summary under the H1 with the typical use case and starting price. Step 3. Add clearly labeled buttons for each tier and a visible comparison table with a download option. Step 4. Add schema and verify indexation. Step 5. Track calculator and CTA clicks as micro-conversions and begin an A/B test for the new snippet plus pricing summary.
Test first. Run a snippet/H1 update and measure lift and click-through rate and lead quality. If CTR improves but lead quality drops, tweak copy to better qualify visitors. If lead quality improves, expand the change and add the technical and measurement bets. Small, measurable iterations reduce risk and make the benefits visible to stakeholders.
How Think It Media helps. We run short engagements that target pricing pages specifically. We do a rapid audit, prioritize the 5 moves into a 2 to 4 week roadmap, implement titles and schema, and set up tracking so you can see lift in 30 days. Clients typically see better qualified demo requests and fewer pricing-related support tickets after these changes.
If you want a quick win, request an audit that focuses on snippet alignment, visible pricing, and micro-conversion tracking. We'll show you the priority list and a testing plan. Most definitely a great way to get immediate lift without a full redesign.
CTA. Subscribe to the Think It Media podcast for weekly tactical guides like this one. If this episode helped, hit subscribe and consider requesting a pricing page audit. Let's talk about this and get your pricing pages pulling better leads.
Recap quick. 5 moves. Intent-led snippets, transparent pricing patterns, scannable page structure, technical signals like schema and canonicals, and measurement with micro-conversions. Apply small tests, measure lead quality, and iterate.
We appreciate you listening and hope to have you back for our next episode. Thanks for listening. Definitely subscribe for more actionable strategies from Think It Media. Let's talk about this. That's great.